Upgrade your kitchen by swapping out your standard steel griddle for a state-of-the-art chrome-plated model. The CPG Ultra Series offers chrome griddles ranging from 24 to 72 inches in length, allowing you to maximize productivity at extreme savings. Thanks to the chrome cooking surface, each griddle heats more evenly and efficiently than steel. More heat is transferred to the product, and less heat is released into the environment, which gives you a much cooler kitchen. Altogether, a chrome top provides up to 30% energy savings over a standard steel model. Cleaning a chrome griddle takes 45% less time, too. Simply scrape, brush, rinse, and polish. The chrome surface also doesn't absorb food particles, which helps limit flavor transfer. This means that your morning pancakes won't taste like last night's burgers. For delicate food, the griddle minimizes sticking and food browning to produce intact quality fare. It even cooks quicker meats to perfection. The Ultra Series griddles include 2 to 6 burners, each with an independent thermostatic control, giving you expert control that adjusts from 200 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. For safety, flame failure protection helps minimize the risk of fire by preventing the gas from transferring to the burner if the flame is extinguished. This series of griddles is designed for countertop use for space efficiency. In order to get maximum performance out of your griddle, you will need to use non-metallic utensils. We offer a wide variety of plastic turners fit for any cooking task. When properly cared for, chrome-plated griddles upgrade your cooking capacity and enhance your menu. CPG models offer these benefits and more with their robust engineering and affordable price point.